This is Basbousa syrup, 2 kilo sugar, 2 liter water, 3 slice apple, 3 slice orange, and 1 fresh lemon juice. Go. 2 kilo sugar, 2 liter water. We just mix. To enhance the flavor, slice orange, slice apple, and 2 fresh lemon juice. Just to enhance the flavor. Just put until boil, so the syrup for basbousa is ready. So it takes like 15 minutes. As soon as boil, the basbousa syrup. So when it's boiling, for only almost 1 minute boiling, that's the syrup is ready. The slice of apple and orange make nice aroma and flavor. This is Basbousa, Arabic dessert. 2 kilo semolina, 1 kilo 200 gram sugar, 400 gram glucose, 200 gram almond powder, 200 gram shredded coconut, 400 gram ghee butter, 200 gram fresh cream, 6 milliliter fresh milk. First, we put the glucose, all liquid together. Glucose. The ghee butter is hot. I make it hot. The milk and fresh cream, I warm it up in microwave. Just warm it up. I mix it nice all together. Then I put all dry items together. Semolina, coconut, all dry item together, and almond. Then I put here. So here all the way to make by hand. See, we don't mix like normal dough, just this is the way how to make basbousa. You can see the difference. Now it's ready. We don't over mix. Just now it's ready. We have one tray. We will with butter. Make sure all corners. After that, it's ready.
One.
Yes. Put in the tray. This enough for one tray, 40 by 60 centimeter. Just your hand with the milk. dough is ready. Yeah. Then you can add it raw almond or pistachio, walnut, hazelnut, whatever you like. So now only almond is available here and ready to bake. The best way to keep it at least 5 hours. The best way to keep it at least 6 hours in the fridge before you bake. 6-7 hours in the fridge. Then when it, after 6 hours in the fridge, you put back in the oven 200 centigrade. 200 centigrade. Almost takes 30-40 minutes. Almost now 40 minutes, 200 degree. We go direct. Syrup is ready. So direct from oven to syrup. You have to put and soak all. You must make sure you put the extra syrup. This is light syrup. Light syrup, 1 kilo. Sugar, 1 liter water. 2-3 slices of apple, 2-3 slices orange fresh, and 1 lemon juice. Your delicious baklava basbousa ready. Then, when absorbed the right amount of syrup, you can cut square and ready to serve. The best way to serve after 4 hours to be cooled down and nice to hold. We put cannelle, fresh cream, slight sauce of honey, touch of pistachio.
3, 2, 1.
Now, this is my diet dessert. You can add it. This is my diet.